Okay, last day na. Uwian na. Sab! Gagawa mo dyan. Gagawa mo. Ha? Matabang? May init na tubig doon ah. Okay, uwi na tayo. Dali, babay na. Uwi na kami. Okay, uwian na. Lakad ka lang, dali. Ano, inubo ka na? Hindi ka na inaubo. Tignan mo muna yung bread. Kaway. Okay lang, dandali.
Artist, kasi magalit na tama na yan.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Marte? Ay, hindi ako nakapagkape. Magkapaint ka. Yung babae na ako.
Wow.
Bye! See you next year.
Okay. Thank you. So, bye. Riyan na.
Bye!
Ha?
Pwede mo may pera.
Bakit?
Basta.
Please. Hi. Saan pupunta?
Babay ka na, babay na.
Babay na, babay.
Babay na. Bye! Ate, babay na kayo. Bye! Babay to? Manila. Back to Manila. Meow.
Riyan na.
Bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Ilis, sabi niyo yan.
Hawak lang, hawak. Hawak lang, hawak. Down king.
Riyan na. Riyan na.
Ay, mga ate, let's go na. Ato sa baho, let's go na. Kaya patuloy yung
Paano naman? Sino magumago? Riyan na. Riyan na. Saan sila? Anong number ka? Ano, bora pa? Ulit pa? Hey, wala nang lobat na.
Di ba may ano pagbaba nyo?
Ah. Ako kanya-kanya na.
Ako yan, nabudol.
Madam Toyo. Okay, ang bilis natin. Nagkita na naman.
Tawagin nyo na yung quarter.
Hi guys!
Okay. Thank you, kuya. Thank you. Mura pa. Mura pa. Mura pa, muraot na.
Dito may mga 50, 20, no? Nakaready naman.
20 dito. Minimum na 30 pesos. Departure. Departure. 10:30. 10:30 na right? Bye! Pasaway!
Birthday. Gusto nila lapag. Ito ano gusto ko?
Hindi. Ayun na sa atin. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, kapit. Bayan naman po ng mga ticket nyo.
Bayad na po. Eh, kuya, bawal daw mag-sumisit. Oo nga eh. Nabakanilis.
Alcoholic ko na lang.
Mga ticket nyo, sir. Ticket. Ticket, sir.
Doon sa kay Madam Pusha.
Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Manila. In command of the aircraft is Captain Jesus Orvi Manlogon, ably assisted by First Officer Juan Abdugel Herona. Our flying time is approximately 40 minutes. Ang nipad na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Manlogon sa tulong ni unang opisyal Herona. Tayo po lilipad ng mahigit
44 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin
Okay,
crew
back
who
to
will
Manila na.
demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seater, tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This
Diyan kasi ako eh.
Doon tayo galing. Laki ng Boracay. Grabe, ang ganda. Hindi pa kita. Grabe. Ayan.
Cabin crew to landing station.
Parang mga laruan lang, di ba, ate? Ate.
Makita eh. Isa yung
Imumukha mo. Mas mami, di ka pwede mag-video.
Gano'ng kalapit sa Cebu?
Pasig. Pasig City.
Zoo.
Ano, Pasig yun? Talaga yun.
Babasa nga si Oli.
Hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Thank you. Hey! Parang wala lang gana. Bingo Blast.
Let's go.
Wala. Eh, wala lang eh, pagod na. Eh. Ay. Wala lang gana.